Oh, what's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and I have today the first build of 2021. This is for Mr. Andrew, his 2012 Ford F150. This is, I think, the second or maybe third build I've done for Andrew. He is a longtime repeat customer and also a good friend, and I severely appreciate his continued support. So let's get into what we got done on these. This is definitely my favorite set of F150 housings that I've done so far for this generation vehicle. We started with the aftermarket Replica Raptor housings and did a full paint job. It's the OEM color code UJ. Did an EvoXR projector swap, so we are going to be running an HID system in this. It is a bi-xenon assembly, and we have the Punisher emblem etched onto the projector. You may recognize this Punisher emblem from a previous F150 build that I did. That was also Andrew's. We have the Profile Pixel C-DRL, which is this dude right here, which is an RGB strip. It is a fitted halo, so that is bonded on right there. As far as the reflector is concerned, we just painted right over it. No need to have a swapped out reflector, just did not want that guy there. Also painted the reflector bowl in there, but we're going to end up putting an LED switchback bulb in that assembly, so that will not be an issue. That is no longer chrome. Also have the RGB demon eyes from Profile right behind that bad boy, and of course these beautiful things. I did a 12-inch RGB strip, chopped it in half, bonded it into place, and so there's basically two 6-inch strips. That is the third channel of control on the Morimoto XBT Bluetooth controller. That's about all I can say on what is actually in there, so let's turn this bad boy on. Currently I have it on 3 different colors, if the camera can pick it up. There's a yellow, a cyan, and a purple, but each channel is controlled independently, so I can put that onto a nice green, put that one onto a nice red, and then put that on a full-scale blue, and you can really see the way that this shines. Again, each channel controllable individually, so you can do whatever you want, or you can put them all together and do fun themes. Yay! Look how pretty that is. And in case you were wondering what it looks like when they are all white, I'll turn that on right there. This is the mixed white. It's not a pure white, but it is of course a very beautiful white. It is still bright, it is still white. I don't think anybody would complain about this. This is what it looks like. I'm pretty pleased. Of course, I don't want to forget the fact that these are switchback strips as well, so even when the products are off, you can see that it does do the turn signal operation. If the products are on and they are doing something cool and pretty, then the turn signal will override, and it will do that. So we love turn signals. Of course, here at Superior Mobile, we care about seeing at night as well, not just looking pretty during the daytime. So these, like I said, are the EvoXR projectors. So is running a 50-watt HID setup, which will be extremely bright. And there is that cutoff pattern on the wall. It is superb and beautiful, and we love it, and we are happy. That's all I have to say for this beautiful set of headlights. Happy 2021 to everybody. Pricing and product information for this particular headlight set will be in the video description, so if you're interested in a build for yourself, then that contact information will also be located in the video description. Every set is custom made to order. This is my favorite one, but of course there are many more on my YouTube channel that you can go see. 2021 is going to be an extremely busy year for me, so you will probably end up in a very long waiting queue. However, I'm more than interested to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Have yourselves a wonderful day.